Hi there, welcome back. As it seems happens every day, last night we got new big news dropped on us, this time by the Court of Appeals of Maryland. The Court of Appeals has extended its close to the public policy for the Maryland court system. As you know from my previous posts, the Maryland court system isn't really hearing a lot of family law cases right now, only emergency cases. And now that order has been extended to May 1st, which basically makes at this point, the courts have been closed to family law cases for essentially 2 months. And it's not clear that this is going to be the last extension of the order. So we may be looking at yet another closure. This has major implications for people. I think the most important and underrated component of these closures is the effect it's having on the log or number of cases that the courts have to hear. Right now, the courts are postponing cases that were supposed to be heard in March and early April to the summer, the early fall. And we haven't even gotten into the rest of April. Anyone who was on the fence about filing a family law matter should really consider filing right now, today. And why is that? It's because of the need to get in line. Of all the things that could happen in the next 2 months, there's plenty of people that are going to feel the need to file a family law action, whether it's divorce, whether it's child custody, whether it's a modification issue. And when the courts reopen, there's going to be a huge backlog of cases. And it may be that the cases filed now aren't going to be heard until the fall, middle of the fall, late fall of 2020, if not 2021. And that is an unfortunate development, and a development that I'm not sure we can do much about. But if you wait longer than now, you're definitely looking to you're going to be the last one in a very long line. So I spent some of today reaching out to my clients that are on the fence, people that have consulted with me in the past and didn't know what they wanted to do, just to let them know, hey, if you were thinking about filing your uncontested divorce now, or if you were thinking about filing that modification of custody, or if you were thinking about filing some sort of modification of support, now is the time to do it. If you wait until the courts reopen, who knows when your case is going to be heard. So that's my kind of tip based on today's news or last night's news to be more accurate. Again, I hope that these videos are helpful and informative. Please like them, please share them, please comment on them, and I really appreciate everyone's support.